is for her mixing to eat. We probably need water for her. We'll turn like that at the top. Okay? So cool. Next up, we got a comb for Baby Alive. It's so cool. It's cute. They have a Baby Alive sign. I think you can see it right on this. So we also got this cute spoon. It's nice and pink. Welcome to the family. But before we do anything, we have to give her the diapers. Just in case. Because I hate, Let's get a diaper. Since you can buy this in you can buy this more in Lazada. So I hope you can find it. If not, I don't know. Watch our video then.
2,000 years later.
You can wear the diaper easily. What do you mean? Seriously? I thought it's supposed to be together. It is together. It has to stick together. It is sticking together. You're making it more awful. For the baby girl. So cute. And now you have to put on her clothes again. Some Baby Alive can't talk, but we can since it's cheap and we cannot buy expensive ones. So I think we start from the broccoli, the most healthiest food. So I'm just gonna get some magic. Magic is done. So here we go. We have this. So get the whole package in. Ooh, this is very dangerous and actually cannot be eaten. It is not edible and must not use it in front of kids. So we have to be very careful. There's a warning sign, and you know what warning sign means. But first, after when we do the spinning, we have to close it very tight and yes, mix it. So I'm gonna do the mix. Really, you want to mix broccoli, a disgusting food, or later a dessert? Anyway, let's put her with her clothes. Come on, Jules. Her top name is Jules, okay? Jules is a cutie pie. Okay, I want to feed her. Okay, open it. Must be careful when you start feeding. You must make a mess, like my sister. And you just made it. Okay, like a desperate measure. No, she has to sit up. Comfy. No, she's eating it. She's eating it like this. This is a very strange way of feeding her, but we can do it as good as possible. Because I'm her mama and she's her aunt. Yeah, and I love to be an aunt. She's gonna be my niece. She will love fashion, just like you. So you have to finish your food. I'm not gonna let you to drink the whole thing. Wait, do you see that? Did she just pee? No, he didn't. That's you. Oh. Okay, I think she likes it. It's time for you to eat again. It's time for you to eat. to take this one because this one's the last one, the last pair.
So we can change it into like that thing.
We can make it new.
What? You really think you can make it new that quick?
We have to order new diapers for her.
Or maybe we can just use these.
I'm really used to it.
Okay, eating time is over. Let's save this food.
Just close it. Spoon. No, we have to shake it. Spoon. Why you want to shake it? To mix it. You want to mix it? No. Okay, let's fail. First, yum yum bite.
First, disgusting strawberry bite.
So cute. I think I should put her over.
Yeah, I said this before.
Okay, choke it. That's the make a mess, baby.
Since she's a baby. Make sure to don't eat.
Clean emergency. I think this set has it. But I think I still like that.
It's too much.
He's still eating. He's still eating.
Wow, we are not good potty trainers.
No, we are good.
We are
Just
not.
keep feeding her. She won't like that food. She like dessert. Let's sleep, please.
Since she eats so many